Hello everyone, welcome to Corporate Corner. In this section we are going to see how can we call and REST API in your Java application. So first we will move towards our pom.xml file. In this pom.xml file we have added two dependencies. First is Apache Commons and the second one is JSON. We will get all these dependencies on in Maven repository. Now we will move towards our main class. In this main class I have defined two methods. First is your post method and second is get method. So let's see how this get method and post method are defined in a get class and post class. So first we will move towards get class. In this get class we have defined an query URL get all as a string. So basically this is an endpoint which we are going to hit. So in my case I have taken http://dummy.rest example.com/api/v1/employees. So it will give me the data of all employees, and another endpoint I have taken is query URL get one. So it will give me only one value, means 1% data. So we'll start this under try catch block. So first we will create our URL. In this URL we will create a URL object. In that object we are passing our endpoint, which is your URL which we are going to hit. Then we will create a connection and set a request to this connection as a get request, and we'll set the property as application/JSON. So it will be in the JSON format. If the connection.get response code is not equal to 200, then it will throw an error. But if it is correct, then it will read that input, and we are going to print that input in our console. So it will print this if everything goes well, and this and output from the server will be print here. And now at the end we will close the connection, and these are the catch blocks we will going to define in our application. So we will try this get method on our class. So I'm going to call a method. So let's see, this is the response that I get after hitting that URL. So now we will see the post request. So I will comment this and uncomment the post request. In the post class I have defined a post method call. So in this method we are going to pass a JSON string. So basically it accepts a JSON in the format of string. So we are going to convert this JSON object, that is your JSON request, into a string. So basically it is same that as I have defined here. You have to just paste your JSON into the double quotes. It will accept that. And the next thing that we are going to assign is your URL. So here I have assigned an URL as query URL _colon post, and the URL is http://dummy.rest-api-example.com/api/v1 So here we are going to create our URL object, and in URL object we are going to pass our endpoint, that is our URL, and we are going to create a connection for that URL, and setting timeout as 5000, and request property as application/JSON, and char set as equal to UTF-8, and we are setting here our method as post, and we are creating an output stream to write our JSON data. And after that we will close this, and to get the response and to read the response we will create an input stream, and from that stream we will convert it into the string format. Also we can convert that string format into the our JSON object, and we will pass this result to the JSON object, and it will be converted into JSON object. If you want to read the attributes of that JSON object, you can read like this, means the property name. If in case if you want to read the ID of that object, you can specify my response dot get string get string double colon ID. If one of your parameter of response is in the form of integer, then you can access it by using get int method on that response and passing your parameter name. At the last, we are going to close this input stream and going to disconnect with this connection, and this is the catch block we are going to use for handling the exception. Now we will going to call this method, post method. Let's see what's the response is. See, the response is name equal to test, id is equal to 26, and salary is equal to 123, and age is 23, and status is successful. This is the response that I have got from the post method. If you are facing any issue, please write it in the comment section. I will try to resolve this issue. And if you find this video helpful, then please like and share with your friends. Thank you.